Okay, so I'm going to do a tutorial of Adobe Photoshop CS, maybe that's a 5, 3 extended. Bless you, Jenna. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a banner. Gonna press File, press New, make sure it's in pixels, and the banner size is 800 by 125. Then you're gonna press OK. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I don't like this ugly green color over here, so I'm going to duplicate the background, press enter, take the background and put the background into the garbage. Then I'm going to right click on here, press blending options, which will take me to this layer style. Then I'm going to click on color overlay, which will turn it an automatic red. Then I'm going to click on the red, and I can change the color to whatever color I want. Move it up. Go to my color libraries if I want. Let's get a nice little pink in here, purplish, beautiful. Then I'm going to click on bevel and emboss, and by clicking on bevel and emboss, I can change the angle of my bevel. If you can see it. Changes it around. I just play with it until you find the way you like it's beveled. I like it like that. Change the size of your bevel. I kind of like it just like that. Okay, now I'm going to press OK. So now I have the background of my banner here. And now I'm going to add in some text. So I'm going to click on the little text button. And once you will notice that once I click on it, it'll give me a new layer over here, which is titled Layer 1 with a little t. And I'm going to write Victoria. Commercial. Okay, so now what I can do is I can highlight this and I can change the font into something cool. That looks really ugly, but I can change it to something cool. Maybe like, I don't know, maybe this one. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'll change it to whatever, you know what I mean. Anyone can change the size, and see how the size only lets me go up to 7.2? Well, you know what? I can dream big. I can put it up to 100. Oh, that might be too big. What about 97? Let's just do 90. Oh no. 80. There we go. Then I can click over here, and if I'm still selected on this layer, I can click on this button over here, which allows me to do like that, but that limits it. So if you use your 4 arrows, you can move it so it's perfectly centered. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to animate this banner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Window. I'm going to click on Animation, and it's going to bring up my animation bar. Do you guys see this animation bar? Okay. So then I'm going to click on this, which will add more slides. I'm going to do 5. And I want this banner to flash. So I'm going to take layer 1, which is where it says Restaurant Commercial. I'm going to duplicate that layer, call it 2. So it will become layer 2. Then I'm going to click on the second slide, have layer 2, right click, go to blending options, go to outer glow, and it makes it glow. Then I'm going to press OK, click on layer 3, go to layer 2, duplicate that layer, call it layer 3. Okay, then I'm going to press hide on those 2 layers. So it's only layer 3 in the background that I'm showing. If I undo the background, then the background goes away. So we have to keep the background. If I undo number 3, the 3 goes away. So now I'm going to press right click, blending options, outer glow. Then I'm going to make it go bigger. So spread, size, gradual, so it's easy. Gradual. So right now I have this, I have that, and then it goes bigger. And then I'm going to take this one, duplicate layer 3, duplicate layer, name it layer 4 for the 4 slide. And I'm going to hide all the other. Right click, blending options, outer glow, make the spread bigger, make the size bigger, and then press OK. Now, for layer number 5, I'm just going to go backwards. So, instead of having 4 show, I'm going to have 3 show. And then 6, I'll have 2 show. And 7, I'll have the first one show. So what happens is it goes from this one. But you see how that's kind of fast? So what we're going to do is we're going to change all these to 2 seconds, 0.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds, and 0.2 seconds. So we're going to press play. Okay, and clearly something happened here. So this one should be, it's layer 4. That one's layer 3. Layer 4. That one should be layer 3. Okay, well I don't really want to make it this long, so I'm just going to delete these ones. So we start here and press play. And you see that how that happens? Okay, now I'm going to press stop. Okay, and then if I want to add in some really cool stuff, I can do that. I don't really know what to do, so that's kind of how I want my banner to be, and it can move. If you want it to go slower, you can make it go slower. If you want it to go faster, you can make it go faster. But you just have to play around with it, and then you'll be fine. So that was how I made the banner. And also, I can then click on this color. I'm going to get rid of my animation there. I'm going to click on the background copy. I'm going to click like this on that button, and I want to keep this color for my back button, so I'm going to click on the color, press OK. So now that color is saved over there. And if I want to do it on that one too, click it on there. And I have 2 different purple colors now. So then I can press File, Save for Web and Devices. Then I can press Save. Press 12. Just say that. It'll save it. And then if I want to turn this into a button, I just press New. Put in my button measurements, which is width as 125 and height as 50. Press Enter. And then from here, I can duplicate this. Duplicate layer. Okay. Take the old background, put it in the trash. It's where it belongs. Press blending options. Then press color overlay. Click on this color, and I can go and I can select either of these colors. Then I can press OK, OK, and then I can make my back button do the exact same thing I did with my other one. So that's how you do that. And I hope you learned a lot from this stupid video. Bye.